Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all will be healthy. So today we are going to learn another part of grammar that is very easy and interesting also. We are going to talk about the kinds or types of sentences. Basically, there are four types of sentences. As you can see on your first slide, there are basically four kinds of sentences. So today we are going to learn them. But before moving towards kinds, let me tell you what is a sentence. After getting the idea what a sentence is, then you will effectively learn its kinds or types. So what is a sentence? The definition of the sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. For example, Salma is a doctor. You are a brave boy. In these two examples, you can see the idea is very clear and you are understanding the statement. If I say, uh, are a brave, or I say is a doctor, so these are the group of words, but they are not making any sense. When they are arranged in a systematically order, when they are giving sense, then the statement will call, or a group of words will call a sentence. Otherwise it's not a sentence, it's just a group of words. So I hope you have a clear understanding that what is the difference between sentence or a simple group of words. When they are giving sense, they are it will be called a sentence, and if a group of words is not giving sense, then it is not a sentence. So let's move towards its kinds and types. There are four types, as I told you: declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and the last one is exclamatory sentence. You can see here it's smaller as compared to the previous topics. So let's start from the very first sentence. The type of sentence is declarative sentence, and the definition of this sentence is a statement that tell us something. It ends with a full stop. Declarative sentence, in this sense, we are told something. We a statement is telling us something. It will be of affirmation or of negation. Example, you can see, I went to school today. I went to shop today. My name is Jasmine. So in these two examples, you can see that these two statements are telling us something. Here is a point that declarative sentence is also called assertive sentence. So assertive sentence की definition: a statement of affirmation or negation is called an assertive sentence. Example, we go to school regularly. They did not do their homework. The rainy season has set in. In the first example, you are saying that we are making a statement of affirmation. There is no negation, and we are not using helping verb did not, do not, does not, or will not. We are not using the word not. We are not making it negative in the first statement. But in negative statement, in the second example, which is of negative statement, they did not do their homework. So you can see here that it's a statement of negation, that they don't do their work regularly. They are not supposed, they are not doing their responsibility properly. So in these two sentences, we are supposed to use statement that affirms or negates something, okay, and it ends with full stop. So let's move towards imperative sentence. It tells someone to do something. It can be a command or request, and it also ends with a full stop. Example, please complete your homework for tomorrow. Go to school now. Here you can see there are two types of commands. Please, first one is a request, and second example is a command, go to school now. Okay, so these statements are showing that they are telling us someone to do something. Okay, all right, now moving towards interrogative sentence. These are too easy. These type of sentences ask a question, and it ends with a question mark. It doesn't end with a full stop, it always ends with a question mark. So you can see some example. Where do you live? It's a question, and at the end of the statement you are having a question mark. And the second example is, what time did you go to the shop? So these are two question, and interrogative sentences ask any question. So now move towards fourth type, exclamatory sentence. Sentence that shows strong feeling is called exclamatory sentence, and it ends with an exclamation mark, and you can see this is an exclamation mark. Example is I feel so sad. It is the statement or the example is telling some strong feeling, and the second example is today is the best day ever. It is also pointing towards strong feeling. Sometimes we also include optative sentence in the kinds of sentence. And what is optative sentence? A sentence in which some wish is expressed is called an optative sentence. For example, may you live long. And example number 2, may Allah Almighty bless you with success. So here we have five type of sentences. Basically these are four, but after subdivision of these they become 5 to 6 or 6 to 7. So I hope you enjoyed this learning. Now make 2 to 3 sentences of each category and write down on your copies and memorize the definition of all these types. And inshallah I hope you will get all the points. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.